My dream role on Glee would be to play somebody that is completely different than the way that I was when I was in high school. I went to church every Sunday. I kind of just stuck with my church friends. I never really ventured out and got to know anybody else, but with my friends, I was really outgoing and like loud and goofy. I think that on Glee, it would be really fun and really challenging to play somebody who is kind of mysterious and quiet and keeps to themselves, like a new girl who comes in who everybody kind of like wonders about her, and she has something about her that people are like drawn to, and she makes it sound like she doesn't really care about anybody but herself, and she's really just kind of like, I don't know, introverted in a way, and but really she just wants to be accepted, and that's mainly why she joins the Glee Club, is because she's just looking for a family, and she's just really like wanting people to want to know her, but she still kind of like puts off this attitude that she doesn't want anybody to know her.